Hello friends, as all of us knows that tobacco kills more than tobacco kills every year more people than any other disease in India. So banning something like this is not a issue is the not a issue. But some people are against tobacco banning in India. They say that smoking or chewing or tobacco is a personal choice of anyone, and they say that tobacco industry provide employment to farmers, industrial workers, and suppliers. So they are against the banning of uh, tobacco, and they say that tobacco industry also provide a huge revenue to the government, and we can say that government also had double-sided faces on this topic. On the one side they say that tobacco is injurious to health and many other things, but on the other thing uh, does not stop the tobacco and tobacco industry in our country. So in my opinion, tobacco must be banned in our country.
Yeah, sure. I am with my friend that he said tobacco must be banned in India. Then in other sides, tobacco is not included in GST. So our government earns huge amount, and in our economy there will be a beneficial effect for this. So I want to say that it is very necessary for our country that tobacco must be banned, because last year in India 32 lakh people were killed due to chewing of tobacco, and in my practice 3 people were killed by chewing of tobacco, and there are many people like my relatives in India that are addicted to tobacco. Therefore, I want to say that tobacco must be banned, because in world many countries have banned tobacco easily, and it is very easily to ban tobacco if it is not banned that every man want to chew tobacco.
Tobacco is a harmful product to our body. It causes many diseases as asthma, lung cancer. In a study claims that the last year tobacco kills many people than to the other disease and vehicle accident. It is a harmful product to our body. Our government want to should ban it in. It is a very good step for our government, but it is not surely that the ban of the tobacco did not come tobacco in India. When government banned tobacco in India, it's everybody acts illegally. People give bribe to the officers, and they use bribe as the import the tobacco in India. It cases a lot of corruption in India. If government want to ban it, they should take some limitation, as they should take tobacco in GST and higher taxes, and some age limitation on the tobacco to provide the customer.
People say that as you also know very well, tobacco is injurious, very injurious to very harmful for us, because last year and recently the report of World Health Organization, Indian condition is very bad in health program, and many people and bribes were died by tobacco, and but some step our government takes, some step our government banned tobacco, like as state government, Gujarat government and recently Bihar government banned in tobacco. But in my opinion it is not true, because many factories of tobacco employment, and many workers works in factories. So it is only person in our family to earn money. So I think that India produce tobacco very much and export to other country, and improvement our GDP.
People says that chewing tobacco and chewing tobacco and smoking is a personal choice, but it is not a personal choice, because it not only dangerous for the who consume it, it dangerous for the everything around us, living things and breathing creatures.
As my colleague said that the chewing tobacco is a personal choice, but in my way, if tobacco is not a personal, it is not a particular solution of the chewing tobacco. People who chew it, then they will be stopped. We know very well it is injurious to our health. Mostly people chew it, and this is the main case of the mouth cancer. Instead of this, the they provide a lot of people as in employment. Tobacco industry provide a lot of people in employ, and it pays the high revenue to our government, and also it include and increase the GDP of our India.
I think the complete ban of tobacco in our country is not the right solution of this problem, and as we know that a number of farmers in India is relies on the farming of tobacco. So if our government completely ban this, then they will be jobless, and I think the production of tobacco should be limited in our country, and the government must apply the high tax charges on this. From this way we can reduce the use of tobacco.
Before banning the tobacco in India, government wants to provide some knowledge of the health injuries of the tobacco awareness. Government started some organizations to awareness the knowledge of the tobacco side effect in the country, because many people think that it is a good thing. They do not know about the side effect of this, and they eat it, and this is an addiction thing. It is so to banning this, government should aware the people side effect of it.
I agree with my old friends, and I personally think that tobacco is very injurious and it causes many diseases like asthma and mouth cancer. But instead of banning tobacco, I think we should spread awareness to our that tobacco is very dangerous. And also, if we ban tobacco in India, we should the farmers who plug there and the industry workers will lose their jobs. And also, there are many places where the countries ban tobacco, but they find a way or the alternative where they get tobacco and spread tobacco chewing illegally.
And if we are thinking that those farmers will be jobless who are producing tobacco, no, this is not right, because our government can provide more opportunity and more job to them. And other countries who have banned tobacco have higher GDP to India. In Brazil, the Brazil GDP is $8 trillion instead of India, and India is $3 trillion. So it is not the correct way that tobacco gives money or gives a huge amount in our GDP. No, this is not right.